What up, guys? I'm gonna be randomly selecting the winner for the carbon fiber props. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright guys, so I'm on the video now for the carbon fiber propeller giveaway. So these are all the people that commented. Scroll down, back up. And I'm gonna copy the URL up here. Go to YouTube random comment picker. Enter the URL in here. Boom. Load the comments. Okay. Okay, it says it's time to pick a winner. I'm on the 63 unique users found. Now I'm gonna click on randomly pick winner. Boom, there you go. The person's name is Beto NYC. You're the winner of the carbon fiber propellers. So just send me a PM through YouTube. Contact me with your information or where you want them shipped. Congratulations, and I'll talk to everybody later. And that's it, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later.